Today we're wanting to just take a little bit of time while we're doing another little project around here and show you all about the Windburner Duo stove system. It's a pretty popular one just for the exercise, especially if you got more than one person. I'd really say you need to go the Duo one if you're wanting to boil any sufficient amount of water, or if you're wanting to make more than just a cup of coffee, this is the way to go. So we're gonna just kind of tell you a little bit about how they come with, things we like about them, and then get right to it and show you how fast it actually does boil and boil a little bit of rice in it. So yeah, it's easy, it's fast, it's 5-minute rice. So we're gonna add some water, we're gonna throw a little bit of rice into it, and we're just gonna see how long it takes. And it's really nice that these come with this integrated pot that locks onto it. It's also measured out in 24 ounces or 3 cups or 600 milligrams if you're gonna use that. But all we need is about 2 cups. So we're gonna do that and kind of get this whole thing going. So one of my favorite things that's a big concern with a lot of stove systems is how wide your base plate is. With a Duo stove system, your base plate is a good amount wider than the actual pot size, so that's a really nice thing. And we'll kind of just turn it up. You don't necessarily need to go full pressure with it, so we'll just run it about 3/4 and see how long it takes. It's a 1.8 liter anodized aluminum pot, great for heat exchange, and it's got the insulated wrap around there with a nice little handle on there. And then it's a radiant style burner with a boil to simmer control, so you get real good regulation of the temperature. With pretty much the windproof construction that they do, it's a fully enclosed stove pot connection. It eliminates any heat loss in your joint together right there where it matches up.
A few moments later.
And just like that, we made rice. Pretty fast, pretty easy. Let us know if you catch which YouTube video we use this in. And if you do, well, drop a comment below and let us know.